Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in a new lecture of Etab. In this particular lecture, I am going to discuss about how we can design the slab in a multi-story building using Etab. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that most of the time you face the issue that whenever we are preparing the slab designing in multi-story building, strips never generate. And this particular issue tends due to the multi-story building designing. etab algorithm based on the functionality, okay, they offer the strip generation, automatic strip generation, okay, for the like a particular story building, okay. So don't worry about it. There is one more option available, that is a manual strips, okay. And trust me, manual strips you can place on your own basis, like at what particular place you want to place the strips, so it can provide you the proper generation of the reinforcement detailing and the designing, okay. So basically the strips helps you to identify the shear force and the bending moment for a slab based upon their loading conditions. So what you have to do, first of all, you just need to go to the top story building, select it should be this particular thing is should be one story and you should be kept at the top story, okay. So first of all, what you have to do, just click over here, draw design strips, okay, and you can see there is a two option of the strips, the middle strip and the column strips, okay. So what you have to do, first of all, just you need to click on a middle strip. Now start width left here all the distance is provided, so it will start, then the start width is 1.5 mm, okay, the start right width is 1.5 mm, so width of the strip is provided over here, okay. If you select the column strip, okay, the column strip also work act as the same, okay. So first of all, you can work as a select as a 1A, select as a middle strip, okay, and change this distance from 1500 mm, okay, to you can place the distance, you can change the distance, okay. So I'm selecting the distance as a 500, or you can we can keep as it is, don't worry about it, okay. So first of all, we are going to draw A in X direction and B in Y direction, okay. So select A, do to this point, okay, right click, right, after you can see the strips is generated now, then again from this to this, right click, so it will cover all the area, you can see it is creating all the area, right. After that, here you again need to draw like this, okay, right. And after that, we are going to draw the strips in Y direction, so select it as a B, okay. Just wait a minute, we need to draw, again select this particular strip, okay, select B and draw like this, okay, understand. But most of the time you can see if I change this value as a 1 1 1 1, so it will look like as like this, you can see strips, wait a minute, okay. If I select to here, okay, it will look like this only, MSB, okay. So that particular thing you can also do, okay. So here what we are going to do is we are going to again delete all these strips, okay. So select all, object type, strips A, B, and strip other layers, select, close, and delete. Okay. So what we can do, we can assign a normal strips to all the our system. Okay. So select this one. First of all, select as a and assign in X direction. First, okay. Right click, right. After that, we can assign over here from this point to this point. Right click, okay. Now after that, from this point to this point, right click, okay. From this point to this point, right click, then from this point to this point, right click, and from wait a minute, from this point to this point, right click. Okay, these are the X directions. Now again select this particular strip, click on a B, and then start from here to here. Right click. Okay, Y directions. Then select this to this. Right click. Second one. Okay, select this to this because there is a shear wall, so we are not going to that in that portion. Okay, then click over here to here. Right click. Okay, again click from this point to this point. Right click. Okay, then select to this point to this point. Right click. Okay, again select from this point to this point. Right click. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to analyze the model. Okay, and after that, in next video, I'll going to teach you about the shear wall designing using the same strip pattern, and then I'm going to design the foundations, and then our all this particular design of the multi-story building will done. Okay, and after that, I'll conclude to the RCC designing, and then I start the steel structure, and after that, our overall course will be done. Okay. So you can see our model is analyzed. Now go to the design. Okay. But before the designing of the first we are going to design the concrete frame structure. Okay. So select the concrete frame and here start design slash check. Okay. So all design will start properly. Okay. You can go through all the procedures what we done during the you can see we done during the normal story building. Okay. After that, go to the design, concrete slab designing. Okay, select. Now you can see the strips is not selected. So click here, select, select object type, strip layer A and B. Okay, right? Select. Okay, close. Now design, concrete slab, strip base, right? After that, middle strip, you can select the material as HYSD 500 bar. Okay, A, ignore PT. Okay, and click on OK. After that, again go to the design, concrete slab. Okay, this again you need to select. Okay, select object type. Okay, uh, layer B, select, close, design, shear wall. This one, just wait a minute. Select all, object type A and B, select, close, design. Okay, at strip base. Okay, B, right? It is a middle strip, HVASD bar. Okay, right? After that, go to the design, concrete slab. Okay, select the stories. Okay, and after that, design, concrete slab, start designing, and it will start the design. Now you can see the design is done. Okay, based upon the our calculations, right? Now after that, when the all calculation is done, okay, you need to save the model. Okay, and close the model. Then open the CSI details software, and when you open the CSI detail model, okay, open this file. Okay, new detailings, open EDB files. Okay, you can see it will open and it will take my all the data, right? It will import all the data automatically and provide us the reinforcement detailing. So it take time for the overall process, and this process is very important, okay, to follow, right? So just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so it will collect all the data, grid, joint, stories, frames, and the rest of the portions. Okay, like shells and all, everything it will calculate. So you can see, okay, frame results are not available because we not done that one. Click on OK. It will take all the details, right? In next video, I'm going to discuss about the share wall designing. Okay, and after that, we will get the details of the what the foundation. So you can see now we don't have any details about the no beams, like no rebar, like that we don't have. Okay, so you can see the store number 10, we have this particular roofing plan. Okay, according to that, we have the roofing plan of the elevation of 3000 meter. Okay, you can see we have top rebar plan we have with us. Okay, so how much top rebar plan we need to assign? Bottom rebar plan we also have. Okay, how to assign, how to manage this plan. You can see the reinforcement detailing tentatively very specific as per the drawings. Okay, then top rebar all bars we have, like how we to provide the top rebars. Okay, the layout, the engineer will be properly execute this drawing. Okay, the sections we have. Okay, you can see the sections, how we need to assign it the sections. Okay, now you can see this section is particularly based upon this flooring plan. So this particular section over here, okay, this particular section you can see this is based on this one. Okay, now section B, you can see this particular B section is look like this. Okay, right? 9 bar of 10 mm diameter. Right, so reinforcement profile we have. Okay, bill of materials we have in slab area, how much quantity, concrete volume, average thickness, rebar weight, everything we have, and rebar quantities. The 10 mm bar size is assigned. Now you can change this bar size as per the design criteria, and you can see the cage view of 10-story building, like in 3 dimension. And this is really interesting, guys. Trust me. Okay, so you can see how you need to assign the slab reinforcement. Understand? Okay, so you can refer this particular 3 dimension for the better options, better checking. Okay, and you will get to know the definite, opportunities for this. Okay, otherwise you can also do some changes. You can do the changes related to based upon the calculations. Okay, like you can change the dimensions of the column and all. That also change the all the differences. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.